Okay, we're back in our electrical file that we just created from the systems uh, linked file. So what we want to do is go to our systems tab, and you can see electrical equipment. And we can see conduit here. Okay, so let's go back to our systems, and we're going to look at electrical equipment here. Now we need panels first, um, so we'll go and look at here, and we have several panels already in this template, which is why we selected it. Okay, so we want to be in our level 1 power plan. Cancel that. Let's, so we want to go into our utility room here. So we can go in here, we can place our equipment like I showed you before, or we can go to our insert tab and load the family. So we'll go this route so we'll know. So let's go down to electrical, and then we'll go to MEP and select electric power, and we'll go down to distribution. Now normally an engineer is going to do this for you. So we need to select a panel. So I think for this assignment, we'll go and we'll select let's go surface mounted because we have recessed as well. Let's go with the surface mounted 120 MCB surface. So let's say this guy here, and let's go open. Okay, now let's go back into our systems and component. We should have that guy here in the right on the top. Yep, that's our panel, and as it says here, it's vertical place on vertical face. So we can select this panel and we'll put it right about here. Okay, now let's cancel out of that or hit the modify to get out of the panel, get out of the command. So now if I tick on this, what you'll see are these what we call connectors. These are conduit connectors where we will place our conduit. So what I want to do is, let me just open this family here and let's hit modify again. And I'm going to turn this off so I can stop selecting the face so much. There, oh, still doing it. So let's open this panel family up. Or they can just go edit family. So now, as you can see, there's the connectors for the conduit. These guys here, as you can see. And now this is the connector for the power circuit up here. It's all face-based family. We know how that works because we worked on families in the past. So now let's close this down. We don't want to save it. Now, now let's now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click this. Now this one, let's do this thin line so we can see. I'll click this and I'll right click this, and it says draw contour from face. So what happens is I'll see this is a 3D view of showing the surface face, and this is the actual face. So what we do here is we'll go in and we can give a distance in the preview. So let's say the connector will be, let's say 6 inches. So we can move it in this direction also. So let's just make it a clear 3 inches. Oop, I always do this. Go 3 inches. Okay, so you see the connection move. So once we're done with that, we can hit the green check mark and finish. Okay, and then there's our conduit run. So let's just take this conduit. Let's just go from here. Let's go here. Let's go out. Now let's take this guy up. So change vertical. So we can give the height here. Let's go 9 feet and go up this way. And now this dot represents the change of height. So I can do it again if I like. No, let's just terminate this now so we can see what this looks like. So let's try another one. Let's right click this one. I'll contour from face. The side and the preview of the conduit is here. And we'll say finish connection here. Now let's change the diameter to this one, and let's make this one 1¼ Let's go this way. And let's take this up to 9 feet right here. And let's go out this way and this way. And let's hit modify. So this is basically how you do conduit in Revit. So now let's do a call out view. So let's go into view. Let's do call out. So let's go and just select this area here, the view that we've been working in. And let's just pull this over here and place it here. And let's select this. Let's right click and let's say go to view. So now we're in this view, and let's change the oh, we want to leave it there, okay. Let's change this to, oh, we can't, okay. So now we're in this view. Okay, so now what I always like to do here is I like to go to my 3D view, and I want to go orient to view, floor plans, and we'll go to that call out view. So now we're in that view, and we can go home view, and there's our conduit run. Let's make this fine. So see, here's our conduit runs. So that's basically how we run conduit in Revit. Very simple. You can, we'll carry on this assignment later on and do more conduit runs and do connections and everything, but that's all we're going to do for this one. So go to your electrical room, create several conduit runs. Okay, let's do another one right quick, just for the heck of it. Let's go go to power again, select the conduit, the panel, right click. Now another thing we can do is, I always like to use section views. So we can cut a section this way, and let's flip this, and let's go to this view. Okay, now let's select our right click. You want to draw contour from face. Let's just move this over. Let's run maybe more conduits. Let's try to do multiple conduits here. So let's make this 5 inches. and then we'll put finish. So there's our conduit. So let's take this guy up. Oops, sorry. Draw conduit. Let's finish trace. Okay. And you can cancel this. Now, what you also can do here with the conduit, you can move this around. So you can move the conduit. You can, but we can't move the off the connector. As you can see, what's happening here? The connector has to be placed or moved within the face of the conduit. So I'm going to just show you one other thing here quickly. Let's go back to systems conduit. Let's do parallel conduits. So we've got this default in the 4 horizontal. So let's just change this to 2. Uh, okay, I want to do that. We'll do the conduits in another exercise. But that's how we place conduit. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, fill out questions in the message section under the video. Thanks for watching and have a good night.